Hello everyone, Justin here, and I am back with another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week, everyone, we are going to learn play it safe. So, to find out what this means, stay tuned, but first, a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, imagine I ask you, do you think the boss will approve my vacation request? Well, you're not sure, but it is a gamble that I will have to take, all right? So it's 50-50 chance, so it's a gamble. What do you say? All right, I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said, yeah, I'm not sure, you'll have to roll the dice on it. Then that's exactly right. And hopefully it was a lucky roll and my boss approves the request, okay? All right, so I'm glad you remembered that. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to this week's phrase, play it safe. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. All right, I'm getting advice, okay? I'm asking my good friend and colleague Taro for some advice. And I ask him, you know, this deal, it seems too good to be true, which means the deal, the gain is so high, but it seems impossible. It seems that maybe I'm not seeing something. Maybe the deal is so good that there must be some disadvantage. So it seems kind of dangerous, all right? So I ask him, should I take this deal? It's a really good deal, but something feels strange. It's just too good. He says, yeah, Justin, I'm not sure, but if I were you, if I were in your position, I would not risk it. Maybe there's something kind of strange happening with this deal. Okay, all right, this is good and very good advice, very practical advice, but Taro could also say this, I'm not sure, if I were you, I would play it safe, meaning don't take the risk, be safe, or play it safe, okay? So for example, my colleague suggested I put lots of money into this stock because the stock price will go up and I will make lots of money. He says, it's going to happen. Should I trust him? Should I not trust him? Well, it's lots of money, so no, maybe I should play it safe, all right? Be safe. Okay, everyone? So please remember that. Okay, so our pronunciation here, play it safe. When you say it very quickly, it almost sounds like one word, play it safe. All right, so please repeat after me. I would play it safe. Your turn. Good, excellent. Okay, now after my question, yeah, this deal, it seems too good to be true. Should I take it? So yeah, I'm not sure, but if I were you, I would play it safe. Okay, so please remember this for our review next time. Okay, speaking of reviews and bonus questions, our bonus question this week is another way to say something is developing now. The IT team is developing something now. So, how do you say that? Well, if you're curious, we covered it in one of our previous videos, so take a look if you have the chance. And of course, we'll leave the answers in the information below. Okay, so that is it for us this week, everyone. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.